What's like some music artists you wanna collab with, like in the future? You got you got anybody you wanna work with?
Rod Wave.
Rod Wave.
Yeah, y'all have a hard one. Y'all go crazy.
And Tim's.
Oh yeah, Tim. I fuck with Tim.
Yeah, Tim's that's
She
that baby.
fine.
For sure. Yeah, that's about it. Everybody else I'm down there, it's already like in the works.
Yeah.
I got some shit with Rollo on the way probably.
Rollo, where's Rollo? Fam gone?
Nah, Rodriguez.
Rollo Rodriguez.
I met Gang too when I was in Texas. Down southwest, South by Southwest. That's what it's called, South by Southwest.
In Austin.